It's a beautiful Sunday morning. And today, Seher is going to explore her hometown, Gurgaon. So let's begin. First, Seher will take a bath, which took her some extra time since it's Sunday. Now she will get ready. All set. And here we go.
Bye bye.
Ah, how clean both the city and sky looks.
Woohoo!
Our first stop, CyberHub. CyberHub is a large shopping and eating area with a number of leading restaurants and shops.
Yummy!
Seher had ice cream to eat. Then she even went inside a car showroom.
Wow!
Seher is astonished to see such a colorful place.
Yeehaw!
And now it's time to race with Papa.
Ready? Go! Yay!
And she wins.
Woohoo!
Time to go and reach our next destination, which is Aravalli Biodiversity Park. A real jungle right in the center of this concrete jungle. The park is spread over 500 acres near the Gurugram metro station in Gurgaon. It is full of animals like nilgai, golden jackal, and several birds, especially peacock. It has a long walking track and even has an amphitheater inside. This place deserves a whole day to explore. But today isn't that day because it is time to leave for our next destination, which you can see on your screen. Yes, Ambience Mall. The best and one of the largest shopping mall of Delhi NCR. Aren't we all feel mind blown every time we visit malls like these? This mall is full of life. And now, Seher will buy some stationery. And she is done. And it's time to leave. But before that, Seher will see some beautiful paintings and do some window shopping with Mama. It's time to head back home. And wow, what a beautiful day! And now, this beautiful ride back home. There are two other places Seher visited recently, which are nearby Gurgaon. First, Never Enough Rail Garden. This place is full of colorful toy trains. Seher had a wonderful time here watching these cute trains. Second, Heritage Transport Museum, where Seher saw these very beautiful and strong looking heritage cars. What a wonderful place to be. These are must visit and easy to reach places if you live in Gurgaon. We are attaching the links of the videos we made on these two places in description. Do watch and stay tuned for more such fun videos.